Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the project of integration of fingerprint and iris recognition. So we are initially collect the data set of iris and fingerprint recognition. So here we can see the data set of each person. So here we are collected 5% data set of fingerprint and we are collected iris data set of 5%. So each person, it consists of 20 images. So once we collect the data set, next process is we have to train the data set of fingerprint and iris data set. First, we are initially load the 5% data set. Then based on that, we train the model, train the data set using CNN algorithm. After that, once we train that data set, it will display the accuracy and valid accuracy. And also it will display the loss and valid loss. For each epoch, it will display the graph. Then once it is display the fingerprint graph, it will take the iris data set. After that, it will train the model using CNN. Then it will display the graph, model accuracy and model loss, and also receiver operating characteristic. It will display the graph. Now run the model. So here, total fingerprint data set images is 600 images. So here I mentioned epoch equals to 10. It will take 10 iterations. After that, it will display the graph of fingerprint. First, it will train the fingerprint data set. For each image, it will display the loss and accuracy of the graph value. After that, it will display the model accuracy and model loss. And it will also display the receiver operating characters graph. So here we can see the fingerprint data set accuracy 100%. After that, it will train the iris data set. And once it is completed epoch 10, it will display the accuracy and model loss. And it also display the receiver operating characteristics graph. So here we can see the accuracy 70% for epoch 10. So now let's run the testing code. So here we are initially load the images, then pre-processing is done through the gray conversion, and segmentation is done through the canny method of fingerprint images. And simultaneously, we are loading the iris images and also we are pre-processing the images and then segmentation is also done for iris. And after that, we are doing the classification of this fingerprint and iris images. If both the ID is same, it will display the successful match. Otherwise, it will display unsuccessful match. So now run the model. Here first we load the fingerprint dataset. Once it is loaded, it will take immediately pre-processing is done through the gray conversion and segmentation is done through the canny method. And we load the iris dataset. Once it is loaded, it will pre-process the iris image, then segmentation. Then after that, we click on the testing. It has to display the successful match. So here we can see the successful match. So now let's take another input. So here we can see, we can select the data set of P person. We can take the data set of iris, A person. So here we can click on the text button, test to display unsuccessful match. So you can see the in command from unsuccessful match. Thank you for watching our videos.